Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best all-in-one salad bowl on the market, the Bentgo all-in-one salad container. If you're someone who loves to eat healthy on the go but struggles with keeping your salads fresh and delicious, this product could be your new best friend. The Bentgo salad container is designed with convenience and freshness in mind. It's a thoughtfully crafted lunch solution that includes a large, 54-ounce bowl, a 4-compartment bento tray for all your salad fixings, and even a leak-proof sauce container. The included reusable fork is just the cherry on top of this fabulous design. This isn't just a container, it's a full-on salad experience. Let's take a closer look at how this all works. The bowl is spacious enough to hold a generous portion of your favorite salad, and the compartment tray allows you to keep your toppings separate. This means no more soggy lettuce by lunchtime. You can pack your greens, vegetables, proteins, and crunchy toppings in the compartment tray, while the sauce container can keep your dressing perfectly sealed until you're ready to eat. The airtight lid with secure locking clips ensures that everything stays fresh, so you can enjoy your salads exactly how they were intended, crisp and flavorful. Plus, you won't have to worry about leaks spilling over into your bag. It's the peace of mind every salad lover needs when they're on the move. Cleaning up is a breeze, too. The Bentgo salad container is dishwasher safe, and it can also be microwaved, making it perfect for warming up leftovers. Every part of this container is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your food is safe and healthy. Whether you're headed to the office, school, or out for a picnic, this salad container is incredibly portable. Its stackable design means it can fit easily into any bag, allowing you to take healthy meals wherever you go. It's not just practical, it's stylish too. Available in a chic blush marble color that makes lunch feel a bit more special. The Bentgo all-in-one salad container is more than just a lunchbox. It's an investment in your health and well-being. With its top-tier design, practical features, and stylish appearance, it stands out in a crowded market. It makes healthy eating easy and enjoyable, which is something we all strive for in our busy lives. So, if you're tired of soggy salads and messy containers, the Bentgo all-in-one salad container might just be the solution you need. Check out the link in the description to learn more and see how you can elevate your lunch game today. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews.